It is with great pride and heartfelt enthusiasm that we welcome you to the opening ceremony of the National Maritime Week 2024. This year's theme, Navigating the Future, Safety First, resonates deeply with our mission and vision, reflecting our steadfast commitment to steering towards a future where safety is at the core of every endeavor. As we embark on this week of celebration and reflection, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies before us. The Southern Tagalog region, with its vital waters encompassing Batangas, Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, and Quezon, serves as a critical hub for maritime activity. These waters not only support the livelihoods of countless of Filipinos, but also witness one of the highest influxes of passengers in the country. Here, safety is not just a goal, it is a non-negotiable necessity that must always be practiced and upheld. The maritime world is a realm of endless possibilities, where innovation and tradition converge to our shape destiny. Yet, amidst this vast expanse, the beacon of safety must guide every decision, every voyage, and every aspiration. When safety is neglected, tragedy is inevitable. We must remember the painful lessons from incidents like the MV Don Juan collision in 1980, the tragic disaster of MV Doña Paz in 1987, the deadliest peacetime maritime disaster in history. It happened here. The sinking of MV Princess of the Stars in 2008, the MV Baleno 9 sinking in 2009, and more recently, the environmental catastrophe caused by the sinking of the MT Princess Empress in 2023. These tragedies reminds us of the grave consequences when safety protocols are not strictly observed, underscoring the critical need for a culture of maritime safety. Our journey toward the future is not without its challenges. We face dynamic environments, evolving technologies, and complex global demands. But it is our unwavering dedication to safety that empowers us to navigate these waters with confidence and clarity. Safety is not merely a protocol. It is the essence of our commitment to protecting lives, preserving our environment, and ensuring that every journey is undertaken with utmost care and responsibility. Beyond safety, it is equally vital to safeguard the rich marine biodiversity of Southern Tagalog, particularly, and again, the globally recognized Verde Island Passage. This passage is a treasure trove of marine life, and its protection lies not only in the hands of our agencies, but also with the general public. We must all be stewards of these waters, ensuring that future generations can continue to benefit from their bounty. It is also important to recognize that innovation and development in the maritime sector must not come from just one agency. Ang mga pagsulong at mga pagbabago ay hindi lamang dapat manggaling sa isang ahensya, kung hindi ito ay dapat sa isinasagawa ng sabay-sabay at sama-sama. Our collaboration across different sectors, government agencies, private industries, local communities, and other stakeholders is crucial in building a future where our maritime operations thrive in a unified effort. This collective progress will ensure not only the safety of our passengers and seafarers, but also the sustainable development of our marine resources. The Philippine Coast Guard stands as a beacon of this commitment. Our role is not just to respond to emergencies, but to proactively shape our culture, where safety, environmental preservation, and cooperative progress are ingrained in every aspect of our maritime operations. This vision extends beyond our immediate responsibilities. It encompasses our collective effort to inspire, educate, and lead by example. As we gather to celebrate the National Maritime Week, let us embrace the spirit of collaboration to a future where safety is not just a priority, but a fundamental value that guides us through every challenge and opportunity. Together, let us chart a course toward the future where safety, innovation, and environmental protection go hand in hand. May this week inspire us to continue forging ahead with determination and to navigate the future with a resolute commitment to ensuring that safety remains our guiding star and that our precious marine resources are also safeguarded for the future. Thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion. Here's to a week of inspiration, growth, and unwavering dedication to a safer and more sustainable maritime future. Once again, welcome to the National Maritime Week 2024 at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.